What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So first things first, I almost walked into that garage cord there. But last video I had so many questions on, yeah, the garage is a mess. That's the main reason why I'm trying to sell this lift kit. But I had so many questions and DMs about the lift kit. So yes, it's for sale. However, do not want to ship it. I mean, it's gonna cost, you might as well just order it from Zone. It's about 1,400 bucks is the retail price on that. And then each Fox shock is about 150 bucks a piece. So if I ship it, you're gonna be spending more than that trying to buy the whole, you know, kit. Pickup. Obviously located in Ohio. If you're a surrounding state, somewhere close, and you have a Ram 2500 year 2014 to 2018. If you scroll back on my Instagram, you can see it is honestly such a clean setup. DM me, but please pick up. I don't want to ship it. I'm not trying to rip anybody off here. If you're like way out, it'd be cheaper just for you to order it and get the free shipping through Zone and all that other stuff. But if I were to ship it, you're gonna be spending more because that's a lot of weight and metal to ship. So next thing, we still have a mess here from the last video. Did the lift kit on that Super Duty. Obviously, you can tell the driveway is a little empty. Super Duty got picked up. He loved it. He honestly put a picture on the screen right here. He's like, oh my gosh, with the 37s, it makes a huge difference. One, ride quality. Got the amp tires off there, and it rides so smooth now. With the ridge grapplers, he's like, this isn't even my truck. So he loves that. Rides super soft with those coilovers. He said this is night and day difference. So real world review there on that. But the garage is still a mess. We got to clean this up today, put all the stuff away just to get back into another project some other time. However, speaking of back into another project, so if you saw a video a while ago when I got my Hellcat back, first of all, man, both of these need wash, but it's gonna rain tomorrow, so kind of useless. However, because it's gonna rain tomorrow, this is perfect timing. So obviously you guys know my buddy ran into my Hellcat and pretty much just dented this, popped the fender out, scratched this up a little bit. So everything's repainted, stuff like that. When they repainted the hood, they took out my rain guard. And I mean, it's a piece of plastic. You couldn't really, I mean, I'll show you. Look at that supercharged Hemi. And look at this cooked fly. Or bee, whatever that is, so you can go. They took this out, and I don't know why. I don't know if it was something, but they took it out, and I guess they forgot to put it back in, whatever. But it's the rain guard to protect this from sucking in rain, obviously when it rains, through the hood vent here, because this is an actual like hood vent. This is usable. So we ordered another rain shield for the hood of this Charger. We're gonna go put that in today. But I also gotta talk about this air intake, because it has done some things to this car that are like good, both good and bad. So literally, it got shipped in, and I still haven't even taken out of the bubble wrap here. About this. So in that video, it was like, oh, it's probably like a $5 piece of plastic. Turns out this is a $39 piece of plastic. It did cost a little more than I expected. However, it's kind of necessary. Kind of sucks that it got discarded or whatever. This $39 was definitely cheaper than me. I forget the actual name. I did learn it in school or something, but it's like Costa something. So pretty much my time, gas, driving, hitching rides, stuff like that. That whole process would have costed me more than $40. So this is just fine for me to do it myself. But if you guys didn't know, this is what it looks like. Legitimately, it's cut out of, I believe it's plexi. It goes up in here and pretty much blocks the rain. It covers the intake filter just like this. It just literally just saves rain from going right through here, and it's still filter sucking up and throwing it right in your supercharger, so you don't want that. Just gotta continue cleaning up my tripod here. Okay, there's a giant moth. You think, okay, well, no. Yep, you're done. No chance to get out of there. If you guys don't remember, here's the factory clutch. Here's the factory clutch out of my truck, all burnt up and oxidized now. But there it is. It's still sitting here. I got the factory hydraulics, clutch fork, throw out bearing and everything. Hydraulics too. I should probably take that to the scrapyard or something, because it's just kind of being a big weight here. Man, this trash can actually reeks. What's in here? Oh my goodness. Ugh. Nothing crazy required for this. Literally a 10 mil that is lost. I haven't seen that 10 mil in a while, and all jokes aside, literally I have not seen my long 10 mil, so I need to find that since I worked on my quad actually. Kind of goes in here like this, but also needs to go down here. So you're kind of gonna slide it in and then back up and line this hole up right here. Boom, there we are. it covers the vent. Now, some people are always worried that it doesn't cover the vent completely, which is in fact true. This side is just a hair open. I'll show you here. As you can see, the filter ends right here, covers all of this and the openings over here. So if it were to rain, it would rain that way and down and out. So no problem there. However, today I want to give you guys a talk about this air intake. So this cold air intake, as you can see, we have no fuel. So we're on our way to actually fill up. But I want to talk to you about this cold air intake on this car. So as you can see, it sounds really good. You can really hear that supercharger scream. You can really hear that supercharger scream a lot more, which is phenomenal. However, what I can tell you is when we get to the gas station here, if we even make it, because we are on low fuel and I've been driving it like that, that's not good. After I fill up, I'll get you some more clips because I'll change the trans shifting and you'll really hear it scream. This whole theme right here, low fuel, going to the gas station if we make it. Yeah, this cold air intake has pretty much killed my fuel mileage. As you can see, I'm gonna close this window because, yeah, there we go. Straight up killed it. I don't know if it's just because I like driving it and hearing it, but I mean, I do in fact drive it a little more like hard after the cold air intake. I do admit that. From what I did last time, I mean, we went from about 14 miles a gallon down to about 11, which first of all, not fun, not cool, but second of all, dropping, like most of the time cold air intakes are supposed to, traffic here, most of the time cold air intakes are supposed to help fuel mileage, not kill it like this. Oh my gosh, person light's gonna turn green, go. Sorry, people just don't know how traffic lights work, I guess. But it does sound good, as you can hear that. Totally taking a diesel pump, but it's okay because I own a diesel. Actually, that does not warrant any of that. Don't listen to me. Don't take diesel pumps. Everyone likes to know local gas prices. So we are sitting at $2.49 for 87. Diesel is $2.99 and 93 octane is $3.28 a gallon in Ohio. So wherever you're at, post in the comments below. Guys, look at this. I'm also breaking land speed records here. My best 0 to 60 is 0.8 seconds. Wow, look at that. Okay, so Liometer says 12.8. All right, so we went 222.3 miles. 202.3 miles divided by 17.68 gallons. 12.6. Wow. So, not gonna lie, first of all, it is hot in here. I don't know why. Can anyone help me get this to automatically put my vented seat on high or my heated seat on high when I get in this car? It always puts it on low. I want it on high. So if someone could direct me in the comments, please let me know. Obviously, it's an SRT. It's a Hemi. It guzzles gas. I'm not worried about that. I didn't buy it for fuel mileage. Knowing when I put the cold air intake on, I could get 14 all day, like around town cruising, stuff like that. And I'm getting 12.5. So I have lost some miles per gallon by putting on a simple cold air intake. So we're gonna pull out in front of this Challenger and not scrape in 3, 2. So what I can say is this cold air intake has added a lot. A lot of throttle response, that's for sure. I could tell a night and day difference. So these cold air intakes are designed to give you about 37 more horse, I believe, at the crank. Not that you can feel it, but with the throttle response, it does feel like there's more horsepower. I don't care if there's more horsepower. I did this purely for the sound. tinted windshield actually looks freaking spectacular. I'm not gonna lie, it makes, even on my truck, I love tinted windshields, man. That looks super cool. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my post the other day. It's like 60 days, which is now, it's about 57, I think, days till SEMA. What is going to be changing here on the truck? A lot of you want those painted. If you guys want my mirrors painted, shoot this video a like, let me know. Something is going to be changing. Something is going to be changing. And with the rear, something is going to be changing, and something is going to be changing. As for the inside, with SEMA coming around, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, what I don't want to do just yet. A lot of people want me to do a custom interior, but here's the thing. The only reason why I would do a custom interior is to show you guys how to put leather in a vehicle. However, I like this cloth. I love it. I love the premium cloth, the two-tone with this inside and then this soft outside. I love this in the Rams. And honestly, I like cloth because same reason why my Charger here, as close to cloth as possible. I got suede because I don't like leather. Leather gets hot, too hot in the summer, too cold in the winter, and it just gets sticky, and I don't like it. It is easier to clean, but I just don't like it. That's why there's suede in here, and I haven't changed this to leather. Now, door handles, if I paint the mirrors, I'm leaving this. This will never be removed from my truck. I love the badging, so this is never coming off. Don't even think it will ever come off, because it's definitely not. But because I'm gonna have those black accents, the grill has black accents, the maybe the might have black accents. Green mirrors and green handles might be a lot for this truck, so I may leave the handles, especially with this weather stripping here too. I may leave these black. I'm not sure. Also, these are even more textured than the mirrors, so finding someone to paint these, actually do them right and take the time and not cost me an arm and a leg, might be a lot of money. So I don't really plan on painting the handles, but the mirrors may in fact get done, that's for sure. I do plan on, I'm pretty much thinking about planning on doing those. I don't fully know yet. Alright guys, well there you have it. Quick update on the truck. Also, update on the Hellcat cold air intake, and we fixed that up today, but I apologize for the short video today. Obviously just trying to stick to my Tuesday, Thursday schedule. Sundays have been a little rough so far, but we're getting there. We'll get back at it. We'll get on it. As you can see, this truck is actually really tall. This is actually an awesome angle. I like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.